Think about the last time you scrolled through your social feed. You saw an image that made you stop, read a caption that gave it context, maybe tapped on a video with music. You weren't just reading, you were experiencing a multimodal text. This isn't about randomly throwing pictures and words onto a page. It's a craft where every element has a specific job. The core idea is purposeful integration. True meaning emerges from how different modes, text, image, sound, and even the layout itself interact. Think of it like a team. The text is great for explaining complex ideas, but it can be dry, so an image steps in to provide immediate emotional impact. Sound creates a mood with music or a specific tone of voice, and the layout acts as the director, using visual hierarchy to tell your eyes what's most important. Look at an infographic. The headline is huge and bold. That's hierarchy screaming, "Look here first." A bright, colorful chart showing a key statistic is the main point, designed to be seen next. The smaller text with details is for those who want to dig deeper. Every choice guides you. This also changes how text and images relate. An article about a drought paired with a photo of cracked earth is complementary. They reinforce each other. But if that text were cheerful and the image troubling, the creator would be using contrast to create irony, forcing you to interpret the conflict. Ultimately, understanding this isn't just for an English assignment. It's about becoming a literate citizen in a digital world. It's recognizing that every choice, the font, the color, the position of an image, is a deliberate act of communication. It's not decoration, it's meaning.